students, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about unit number 4. Unit number 4 consists of two important markets, equity market and commodity market. You know very well what is meant by equity. Equities, here we are talking about shares. That is nothing but security market we are talking about here. So in order to manage the equity, we have stock exchange. So here we are going to learn about, in this video, we are going to learn about stock market in detailed manner. Next video, we will talk about commodity model, because in unit number 4 consists of both equity and commodity market. In order to manage the equity, we have stock exchange. Okay, so in this particular video, we are going to learn about what is the meaning of stock exchange and functions of stock exchange, importance of stock trading, and depositories. What is the meaning of depositories and what are the different types of depositories is available in India, and trading and settlement procedures of India. So all those points we are going to study in detailed manner in this particular video. So when we are talking about stock exchange, that is meaning of stock exchange. So stock exchange is a place where you can buy and sell your securities. If you want to buy and sell the securities, what it is very much needed, the share should be listed in the stock exchange. So whichever company is listed in the stock exchange, that company's shares you can able to buy and sell using the stock exchange. So in short, if I want to tell, stock exchange is a place where the traders can buy and sell their shares. So stock exchange will facilitate the trading activities. And next, when we are talking about functions of stock exchange, so functions of stock exchange includes following points. Let us see one by one. The major functions of stock exchange is nothing but valuation of shares, securities. Okay, depending upon the demand and supply of the shares, the share price will be evaluated. That should be done by stock exchange. And next is facilitate the liquidity. The liquidity is very important things we need to take care when you are trading, because if what is meant by liquidity, easily convert your shares into cash. That is nothing but liquidity. Whenever you want, you can able to sell. Whenever you want, you can able to buy that particular shares. If liquidity is not there, one point of time, that particular shares will be removed from the stock exchange. Okay, so the stock exchange will facilitate the liquidity to the traders. And next, when you are doing any transaction in stock market, what we will expect, transaction safety, isn't it? So whatever I am placing, it should be executed. Whatever trade I am cancelling it should be cancelled. So safety purpose is very much important. And whatever companies which is listed in the stock exchange, that should be genuine companies. That is why the stock exchange will allow you to trade only listed securities. While we are listing itself, they will have certain parameter. If the company is fulfilling all the parameter, then only that company is allowed to list. So transaction safety, we are giving importance here. Next point, contribute to economic growth. Here we have to contribute to the economic growth. How we can able to contribute? If the company is performing good, automatically what we will do? The transaction will happen more. If the transaction will happen more, the investment will increase. If the investment is increasing, automatically it leads to the economic growth. So stock exchange always, in turns, stock exchange always either directly or indirectly, it is facilitating economic growth. Next point, making the public aware of equity investment. Stock exchange will always come out with the promotions, and it will conduct the awareness programs, and it will inform to the traders, stating that if you are investing more and if you are investing in stock market, you will get more returns, like that way, and they will promote. Next is offer scope for speculations. Here, when we are talking about the speculations, is very important. Speculator are very important in stock market. The speculator is one who will buy and sell the shares frequently. If speculator is there in the market very active manner, we don't want to bother about the liquidity part. So speculator is playing very important role in this stock exchange. And next, when we are talking about better capital allocations, always stock exchange will ensure the better capital allocations. When we are talking about better capital allocations, it will give equal importance for all the companies and all the investors, so that stock market will grow stable. So that is the reason they will give all the companies same importance, and all the investor also, it will try to provide the same kind of services and encourage investment and savings. As I said, they will create lot of awareness programs, and they will encourage the investor to invest more by providing lot of offers and schemes. So these are all the major functions of stock exchange. Next, as I said, we are going to learn about depositories. If I want to tell in simple way what is meant by depositories, when you are saving your amount in bank, what they will give you? Saving. What they'll give you? They'll give you the passbook, isn't it? In that passbook, whatever activities you are doing, it will be entered. The same way, even in stock market also, they will provide you the demat account. In that account only, whatever shares you are buying and selling, all the shares will be entered in that particular account. That is nothing but depositories. Depositories are institutions that hold your shares and securities in the electronic form. Whenever you want to open and see what I traded, then you can go to this particular depositories and you can try. Okay. So in India, there is two types of depositories is available. NSDL, that is nothing but National Security Depository Limited. CDSL, Central Depository Limited. These two depositories are acting this kind of demat account rule. Okay, they are facilitating for demat account opening and other things. Whatever transaction you are doing it will reflect the transaction using these two depositories. Next, this is the last topic which we are going to discuss in this particular video: trading and settlement procedures. In stock market, trading will happen in two broader categories. The first is using the cash market, and second is using the delivery market. So when we are talking about the cash market, here they will buy the shares and they will sell the shares immediately, because they are buying the share by giving the cash, isn't it? So it is considered as a intraday trading. They'll buy today and they'll sell the shares today itself. When we are talking about delivery market, they will buy the shares today. They can able to sell the shares any days, or minimum they need to wait T plus 2 days. After that only they can able to sell their shares. So that is what procedures which is followed in India. Okay. So thank you for watching, and next video we will discuss about commodities market in detailed manner.